In this video, you will learn about Lemieuxapp with a high-level overview. This diagram depicts the three different phases of the Lemieuxapp. We'll be discussing each of these phases in additional detail as we proceed on with this overview video. To give some context, let us review the 5 W's. What is Lemieuxapp? Well, Lemieuxapp is a web-based application accessible from desktops, tablets, or mobile devices. This application automates the task of producing client-ready images and videos. Who's Lemieuxapp for? Well, this application is tailored for the needs of private investigators and investigative firms. Well, when is it available? It's available now. The application is ready 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round. Where is it? Open up your favorite browser, whether that be Firefox, Safari, or Chrome, and go to the following web address: www.lemieuxapp.com. And why did we build Lemieuxapp? Because you deserve ease and efficiency. Let's head back to the overview diagram. We'll be discussing this diagram from the left to the right. On the left side, we will be discussing the upload. And as you can see from the diagram, uploads can come from multiple devices, whether that be desktop, tablets, phones, video cameras, or still cameras. In any case, you can also use your SD card with an SD reader connected to your computer, tablet, or phone and access it like a hard drive. You might be asking, why would we want to access the SD card as a hard drive? Well, the answer is not all video files are created equally. In a best case scenario, or with more modern cameras, typically embedded within the video itself is the time and date stamp in which it was taken. Of course, that information comes from the fact that you've preset your camera prior to usage. However, there are devices, video cameras on the market, that don't store this information. However, since your video camera is like a computer, it also stores things on the SD card as like a file system. And when these files are written to the SD card, they also, like a file on your computer, contain a date and time stamp. And we can utilize that date and time stamp later in the process when we're overlaying the date and time on the video that we produce. Uploaded image and video files will be grouped in what's called a bundle. You'll hear this term used often throughout this video series. Bundle is a way for us to group these files and associate them to a case. Uploaded content supports both images and videos. Here is a list of the image and video formats supported by Lemieuxapp. Now that our bundle has been created and our images and videos have been uploaded into Lemieuxapp, we begin the next phase. This is the processing phase. All videos are converted into a standard 1080p high-def format. In addition, the audio is redacted from these videos. We also overlay the timestamp. This is both the date and the time onto the video. And finally, this video is converted into an MP4 format, which is streamable ready. This means it's more accessible to your clients and yourself over the internet or to a mobile device. After all your videos have been converted in the bundle, a final concatenated video is created, which is client ready. This video is concatenated in a chronological order based on the videos that you have supplied in the bundle. Once the concatenated video has been created, you will be offered an opportunity to create video clips and images. These video clips and images can be used to highlight certain segments of your final video. The last phase in our process is to actually transfer our files that we've accumulated in the bundle up into TrackOps. This can be done under the Clips section of the application. It's a single button clip that will transfer all these files into TrackOps and associate them to the appropriate case. This concludes our overview portion of this video series. Please continue on to the other videos in this series to learn about how to use specific features within Lemieuxapp. We'll be walking through the application and showing each step in the process.